children. Today we'll continue Unit 3 Financial Market Part 2 Chapter 7 Stock Exchange. In last video we'll discussed 7.1 Stock Exchange Origin, Meaning and Definition. Then 7.2 Functions of Stock Exchange. 7.3 Features of Stock Exchange. 7.4 Benefits and Limitations of Stock Exchange. 7.5 Stock Exchange in India. 7.6 Types of Speculator. In this video, we'll discuss Stock Exchange versus Commodity Exchange. Then recent development in Stock Exchange. Stock Exchange versus Commodity Exchange. Meaning, Stock Exchange is one important consequence of capital market. Stock exchange is an organized market for the purchase and sale of industrial and financial security. It is a convenient place where trading in securities is conducted in a systematic manner, that is, as per certain rules and regulations. Commodity exchange. A commodity exchange is an exchange where commodities are traded. Tradable commodities fall into the following categories: metals, example, gold, silver, copper; energy, crude oil, natural gas; agriculture, rice, wheat, cocoa; livestock and meat, live cattle, lean hog. Function: providing easy marketability. Commodity exchange, offering hedging or price insurance service and liquidity to securities. Object is facilitating capital formation and making best use of capital resource. Commodity exchange, object is facilitating good flow through risk reduction. Participants, investors and speculators. In commodity exchange, producers, dealers, trader and a body of speculator. Period of dealings. In stock exchange, cash, ready delivery and dealings for account for a fortnight. Commodity exchange, instant cash dealing and a settlement period of 2 or 3 months for future market dealings. Articles traded. Industrial securities such as stock and bond and government securities. Commodity exchange, only durable graded and goods having large volume of trade, price uncertainty and uncontrollable supply. Speculation. In stock exchange, speculation ensures saleability of securities, affording a broad, ready liquid and continuous market of securities. Commodity exchange, speculation ensure assumption and absorption of price risk. Forward contract, forward dealings are simplified as securities are fully standardized. In commodity exchange, standards are to be fixed for deliverable grade to facilitate future contract. Cornering, as seller has to deliver the agreed securities, cornering is easy. Cornering is difficult as the seller has option to deliver standard or other deliverable goods. Price quotation, as regard forward dealings, only one quotation is possible. In commodity exchange, for future dealings, multiple quotations are possible. Recent development in stock exchange. National Stock Market System NSMS. National Stock Market System was advocated by the high-powered group on the establishment of new stock exchange headed by Sri M.J. Perwani, popularly known as Perwani Committee. At present, the national stock market in India comprises the following: National Stock Exchange of India Limited (NSE), Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited (SHCIL), National Clearance and Depository System (NCDS), Securities Trading Corporation of India (STCI), National Securities Depository Limited (NSDL). Now we'll discuss one by one. National Stock Exchange (NSE). NSE was incorporated in November 1992. It is a countrywide screen-based online and order-driven trading system. It used satellite link to spread trading throughout the country, thereby connecting members scattered all over the India. Through computer network, members order for buying and selling within prescribed price are matched by central computer with each other and instantly communicate to trading members. NSE has two segments, that is debt segment and capital segment. Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited (SHCIL). The Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited (SHCIL) is committed to speed up training, clearance and settlement service for securities and monetary instrument. SHCIL came into being in 1986. SHCIL is the first depository participant registered with SEBI and act as an agent of the National Security Depository. National Clearance and Depository System NCDS. This system was created chiefly to help overcome the problem of settlement and clearance of transactions consequent to enormous workload on the clearing agencies and share transfer agencies. The problem mainly occurs out of systematic risk like counterparty risk, credit risk, bad deliveries, long delayed delivery, counterfeit scripts and forget scripts. Securities Trading Corporation of India (STCI). The Reserve Bank of India set up Securities Trading Corporation of India Limited (STCI) in May 1994 under the provision of the Indian Companies Act 1956. Jointly with the public sector banks and all India financial institutions. It had an authorized and paid up capital of rupees 500 crores, of which RBI contributed 50.18%. The RBI in December 1997 divested part of its equity in STCI in favor of the Bank of India, an existing shareholder of the company. National Securities Depository Limited (NSDL). The Government of India enacted the Depositories Act in August 1996, paving the way of setting up of depositories in India, thus pioneering the concept of depositories and ushering in an era of paperless settlement of securities. National Securities Depository Limited, that is NSDL, was inaugurated as the first depository in India on November 8, 1996. Nifty. The word Nifty originates from two words, national and 50. Nifty basically means the index of the 50 most actively traded stock from across all sectors. Nifty represents the top stock of NSE, and when we talk about Nifty going up, it means that all the heavyweight stocks of NSE across all sectors are moving up. Most of the stock trading in the country is done through NSE and BSE. There are other stock exchanges as well as like the Calcutta Stock Exchange, but they are not that popular. Nifty consists of top 50 companies from 24 different sectors. Nifty is computed from the performance of top stock from different sectors. Some mutual funds use Nifty as a benchmark. The performance of the mutual funds is assessed against the performance of the Nifty. On NSE, future and options are available for trading with the Nifty as an underlying index. Nifty is calculated by using the market capitalization weighted method, according to which weights are assigned according to the size of the company. Larger the size, larger the weightage. Listen children, in this lesson we discussed origin, meaning and definition of stock exchange, function and features of stock exchange, benefits and limitations of stock exchange in India, stock exchange traders, types of speculator, difference between stock exchange and commodity exchange, recent development in stock exchange. Don't forget, you must learn all the question answers from this lesson. Thank you children. Have a nice day.